Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Programming in C with RSK. I am Rajendra Kulkarni. Friend, this is the 24th video I will be uploading, which will be describing or explaining how pointer to functions are declared, how they are used in your program. In all the videos which I have uploaded up till now, more than 23 most probably, explains various features and topics in programming in C in a very simple language and with example programs. Please subscribe to my channel Programming in C with RSK. Like the videos, share the videos. Your comments are all welcome. So let us go ahead with today's topic, pointer to functions in C. So let's see what is pointer to function. Well, for variables we have seen pointers. Pointers are also used while addressing and accessing the values in strings, in numeric arrays. As there are pointers to all these variables, there can also be a pointer to a function, because the function, when it is defined and when it is compiler compiles it, it gives certain address from which the function code is start. So the first or the base address of every function code is available, and that base address is tied up with the name of the function. When we assign that name to a pointer variable, the address of that function gets assigned to that variable. So let us see how pointer works. Pointer to a function. We have declared a prototype, int fun into the bracket int comma float. This is the prototype of the function. Then there is a main in which we have declared 3 variables, and then we are declaring a pointer to the function. In this particular case, funptr or funptr is the pointer, and this pointer will be assigned a function's starting address or the base address. How funptr is declared? We can see the peculiarity of this pointer declaration. What we are doing is we are just repeating the function prototype here, and the function name fun is being replaced with a star funptr into a bracket. So this is the way how function pointer are declared. Into the name of the function is replaced by a parenthesis in which star and the name of the ptr or the name of the pointer is written or mentioned. Now in this funptr is equal to fun, what we are doing? We are assigning the base address of function fun to the pointer. Address of function is assigned to its pointer. No need to add ampersand before function name. So whenever we assign an address of a variable to the pointer, what we have to do is ampersand and then the name of the variable of which we want to assign the pointer address to its pointer. But in case of functions, there is no need for putting ampersand before the name of the function while assigning the address to its pointer. So funPTR is equal to fun is the assignment of pointer to fun. Then there is a simple add statement which gives us address of a function. So it will give us the starting address from where the function starts in the memory. Then this is a function call. How function is called? Num is equal to name of the pointer into the bracket and then the values or the variables which form the arguments of the function. So by this call through pointer, the values of I, variable I and variable xx will be passed to the function definition, where the function definitions variables declared in that function will be collecting these values. Then we simply display the number num on our monitor screen. Then this is the function definition. Int a and float x are the two formal arguments of the function fun. To these formal arguments, the values of actual arguments will be assigned. And now the function, what does it? It just simply returns the value of a into x. So a into x is returned, which is collected by num here, the variable num, and that variable num will be printed, will be displayed by this printf statement. So this is a function prototype. This is the function pointer declaration. This is the assignment of the function's address to its pointer. Then this is the function call using pointer, and this is the how function is defined. We can see that prototype of the function and the function definition are as usual. The only thing is how function pointer is declared and how function's address is assigned to that pointer. These two statements are a bit different when we are going to use the pointer to a function. Pointer should be within parentheses. The name of the pointer should appear within the parentheses. Actually, what we are doing for declaring a pointer to a function, what we are doing, we are replacing the name of the function in the prototype by the function pointer's name, which is within the parenthesis and to which star is assigned. Here what fun return type is float, but what it returns, the problem is the function has been declared with a return type of int, and here we are trying to return float value from this function. So fun return type is int, it returns 31.4, but since num is it returns 31 in place of 31.4. So this is the screenshot. when I ran this program. Address of fun is 763 and the value returned by this function is 31.000. In this way, a pointer to a function works. We can also declare an array of function pointers. This program very simply explains how array of function pointers work. So we have declared 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 functions here, prototypes here. So we will be using 6 functions in this program. Then there are a declaration of variables. Then we are declaring a array of function pointers. So again, what we will be doing, return type float into the parenthesis. What we are doing is we are replacing the names of the function with a pointer name which is star funptr underscore arr, and this being an array, we are declaring 10 as its dimension. So this part of the declaration of pointer tells us or tell the compiler that funptr underscore array is a array with dimension 10 to which function addresses will be assigned. Again, the name of the functions, see there are so many 6 functions here, but they are having the same prototypes and same return type. And when we declare a fun pointer array, we simply write into the parenthesis the name of the functions pointer and its array and dimensions of the array. What we are doing here is we are assigning the base addresses of all these functions to individual array element. So for array element funptr underscore array, element number 0 is assigned with the address of a function fadd. Then next element of the array is assigned with the address of function fsub, and so on up to the function mult. This 6th element of the array is assigned with the address or the base address of function mult. So these 6 functions are assigned, their addresses are assigned to individual array elements of the array of function pointers. How we call this array or how we call these functions through array, what I have done here is a for loop which will be assigned with a variable I equal to 0, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. So there will be 5 times this 6 times the loop will be called. In the loop what we are doing, we are assigning to a pointer to a variable result the return values of the functions to which these two variables a and b are being passed. We have declared their assignments here. A is equal to 2.0, b is equal to 3.0. So every time the function is called, any function is called using funptr underscore arr array of function pointers, a and b's value will be passed to those functions and result will be, the function will return the value collected in a variable result, and that variable results value which has been returned by the function is displayed by this printf statement. So we have declared 6 functions, we have declared a array of function pointers to individual or each element of the array. We have assigned the starting address or the base address of the 6 functions, and we are calling those 6 functions one by one through every iteration of this for loop. As the I values I changes from 0 to 5, the function ARR function address appearing at 0th element of the funptr_arr array will get executed, and as i's value progresses through this I++, the second function that will be called is f sub, which is at element 1, to which the address of which is stored in arrays element 1, and in this way all these 6 functions will be called. So these are 6 functions we have declared. This is the array of pointer declared, and function pointer array initiated with function addresses. This is the initiation or the population. We are populating the array with the addresses of all these 6 functions. Then the function call, and what we get is this is the screenshot. When the I is equal to 0, the function that will be called is fadd, because that is the function, that is the address of which has been assigned to element number 0 of this array. Then when array I becomes 1, this f sub will be called. When I becomes 2, 2wr top 2 power will be called, which is actually a function declared on the next slide. We will see how those functions are declared. Then square root, then div, then multiply. So when last function mult will be called when I becomes 5, we get this result: 3 into 2 is equal to 6. When we declare a pointer to a function, what we do is we simply replace the name of the function in a prototype by a parenthesis in which pointer's name is mentioned. These are the functions which we have assigned to the array. Fadd function adds, f sub function subtract a minus b, 2 power function returns a raised to b, which is 2 raised to 3 in this case, then square root, then division. So these are the function definitions, the addresses of which are assigned to the elements of a function array. So this is the way how function works, function pointer works, and how array of function pointer works. So friends, this is 24th video I am uploading. In all the videos which I have uploaded up to now, which consist of many topics and many types of C features, which I have explained through theory and programs. Upcoming videos are these: preprocessor, storage classes, graphics in C, numeric arrays of 1, 2 and 3 dimensional, array of pointers, functions returning multiple values, strings, structures, files and many more. So please subscribe to my channel, view my videos, like those, and your comments are always welcome. Thank you for watching.